At Canadian Addiction Recovery Network, when it comes to addiction treatment in Canada, we believe in dedicated programs that are personalized for each individual, hiring only the best and experienced professionals, treating with urgency and immediate impact, promoting a lifetime of change and support. Our doors are always open, and we're a top-tiered private recovery network with 2 facilities in Canada. We network with some of the best authorities in treatment, detox, healthy lifestyle, and addiction concerns from all over the country to find you and your loved ones the very best in addiction treatment. At the Canadian Addiction Recovery Network, our primary goal is to commit to help all men and women affected by addiction and help them take the necessary steps to obtain and maintain meaningful recovery. We believe that everyone, regardless of background, gender, age, or personal experience with substance abuse, deserves a chance to recover from this devastating condition. For this very reason, we are dedicated to personally helping everyone who comes to the Canadian Addiction Recovery Network for help. We work intimately with addicts and their friends to find the solution to end the terrible devastation caused by addiction. Our multidisciplinary teams work collaboratively with trust in each other's expertise to foster an open line of communication which supports our integrative approach. Our vision is to create a continuum of effective, high-quality treatment services and to become the supplier of the best alternatives with a national reputation for client-centered addiction recovery programs that are second to none and succeed with the highest success rates in the country. Client care is our number 1 priority, taking precedence over other responsibilities and receiving adaptive, individualized care which is authentic to the true needs of the person. Each individual relationship, whether client, patient, employee, or business associate, is held to the highest standard of non-judgment, compassion, and empathy. We incorporate a best practice approach to treatment by utilizing long-standing evidence-based care, along with embracing advancements in technology and medicine to lead the industry in a truly holistic treatment program. We're devoted to providing a place where mind, body, and spirit can be restored to health within our safe, supportive, and comfortable environment. We serve Canadians suffering with addiction through carrying out the mission, vision, and values of the organization, supporting each individual to grow into greater empowerment in their role of bringing forward the message of hope and healing to others. We at Canadian Addiction Recovery Network are dedicated to saving lives.